Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Pool channel and welcome to Learn Java course. In this video, I'll talk about arithmetic operators and we'll start with theory part, then we will go do some coding part. But before we dive into the concept, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you will not miss any upcoming videos. Let's get started. There are five operators in Java. The first one is addition or additive operator, which also used to concatenate strings. For example, 4 plus 5 equals 9 for strings Nabil plus Auda equals Nabil Auda. The second one is subtraction operator, 6 minus 5 equals 1. The third one is multiplication operator, 5 multiplied by 7 equals 35. The fourth operator is division operator. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And the last one is the remainder operator or modulo, which is the remainder of the number divided by another number. For example, 6 modulo 4 equals 2, which is 6 divided by 4 equals 1, and the remainder is 2. All right? Now, with operators in Java, we have a precedence when like the arithmetic operations come in one statement. All right. Now, in this table, I will show you from the high precedence to the lowest precedence. All right. And we have in the same level, the precedent counts from left to right. That doesn't mean multiplication here it is bigger or higher level than division, but when multiplication comes first in a statement, so it starts from multiplication. But if the first arithmetic operation or operator comes is division, then division after that will be the multiplication or a remainder. All right, and I'll show you in a coding example. So in this table, we can see the brackets have the higher precedence. All right, and second one is the multiplicative or the multiplication, division, and the modulo. The third level is additive or addition or subtraction, will be plus and minus, or subtraction operator. And the last one is the assignment. So for example, if you have 4 plus 5 assignment to 9, it will start from first doing the arithmetic operation, which is 5 plus 4, then using the equal to 9. All right. Now let's go to some examples. You can stop the video and do it yourself. You can try what is the result of each arithmetic operation or expression. So now we have 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2 equals, what do you think? Now we have a brackets here, the same arithmetic expression, but we have a brackets around 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2. What do you think is the result? 5 minus 3 plus 2, and you can see we have from this table, we have the additive, the same level, but they are coming from left to right, as we mentioned. What do you think will be the result? And here is the opposite than the previous one. Now we can see the results here, all right? So in the first expression, 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2 equals 17. If you notice that the multiplication has the higher precedence than addition, so how it works in this expression will be 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10, plus 7 equals 17. Okay, the assignment will be the last one to operate. In the second expression, we have 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2, but we have brackets surrounding the addition part. And as we mentioned, the brackets have higher precedency. All right, so the result will be 24. So 7 plus 5 equals 12 multiplied by 2 equals 24. In the third example, we have 5 minus 3 plus 2 equals 4. And because we have addition and subtraction at the same level of precedency, but we start from left to right. That means because subtraction comes first and from the left, so 5 minus 3 is 2, plus 2 equals 4. In here, now we switched between the addition and subtraction, so it'll be 5 plus 3 first, minus 2, which is 6 now. All right. Now the last one is 7 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 equals 14. And this, as again, we mentioned, we start from left to right. So 7 multiplied by 4 is uh, to 28, divided by 2 equals 14. All right. Now let's do some code in action. Now we open IntelliJ. I will type a statements to print them to the console with the examples that we have in our PowerPoint. It's out. So I'm done typing the statements with the expressions or arithmetic expressions to be printed to the console. I'm typing 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2. I want to mention again, I put the brackets here because I want the arithmetic operations to happen before the concatenation with a string. All right, be careful with that. I'm just typing this to demonstrate that you can tell which statement or which operation is printed. Now we have 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2. Then we put brackets between the addition with the multiplication. We have 5 minus 3 plus 2, which we have same high level of precedency, but we start from left to right. Now we have 5 plus 3 minus 2, which is the opposite what we have in the above example. The multiplications, I forgot to put brackets here. We should put the brackets. With multiplication and division, it will work without brackets, but I'm putting them anyway because the multiplication and division has higher precedence than addition, as you mentioned, right? And the last example is I put the same as above, but I put brackets between the division. All right, let's see the results. Now you see 5 or like 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2 equals 17. As I mentioned, 5 multiplied by 2, 10 plus 7. Now if we put brackets, it will be 24 because the brackets has high precedency and everything between brackets will happen first, whatever is the arithmetic operation. All right. Now here from 5 minus 3 plus 2 equals 4, which is from left to right with the operation that has same precedency. Now we have the multiplication division 14. And if you put the bracket, it will be the same results anyway. All right. So now we are done talking about arithmetic operations or operators. You can practice yourself, use different values, use different expressions. So in the next video, I'll talk about control flow or decision making using if else and switch statements. So thank you for watching and see you next video.